Welcome back, everybody. We're looking at an old recipe here written with my mother's handwriting. What we've got today is Nonna Pina. Welcome back. Hello. And what we're going to make today, this old recipe, what this is a very traditional Italian cookie called biscotti. Now, biscotti, there's two parts to that word. Bis means twice, and cotti means cooked. So a biscotti is a twice baked cookie, and today you're going to see why this biscotti or biscotto is going to be baked twice. So for this biscotto with almond, we're going to have Nonna Pina tell us the ingredients. What do we have here today, Nonna Pina?
4 cups of farina.
4 cups of farina, which is flour. Double purpose, like just normal flour?
Yeah, no.
All-purpose flour, okay?
Yeah. 2 cups of mandorle.
Almonds, and they're shaved, and then you've got some that are whole, okay?
Yeah. 6 eggs.
6 eggs, nice. And then you have an espresso. Is this espresso? What's in here? So you're Italian, and everything goes in an espresso cup when you're Italian. Even the oil in recipes. Wow. Okay, Nonna Pina, what else?
2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of sugar, and then?
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so Nonna Pina, today's going to be exciting. We're making biscotti, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Okay, so it's been now half an hour. We put them on the bottom for 15 minutes and on the top for 15. And look at these beautiful, beautiful biscotti. Look at that. Let's just zoom in on one. Which one are we going to get here? Hi, do you want to be my friend? Look at this guy. It's still very, very hot. Ooh, it's hot. I'm going to put it down. But that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are almond biscotti. Cheers. Say bye, Ma.
Bye.